It's been nearly a week and Cryptomines is officially done. No one's using the platform or even playing the game. And even if they did, there's not enough revenue coming into the rewards pool to pay everybody out. There's more miners than more people minting the token. And right now, the Eternal token's value is totally plummeted. Within the Telegram community, they have officially turned off any type of communication whatsoever by the admin. And there hasn't been an update since December 8th. Now, the update that they have said is that they officially have named the original Cryptomines as Cryptomines Legacy. And they have also said that as people continue to mint or any type of revenue that comes in that goes into the reward pool, you can still mine. However, there's not enough revenue coming in, so it doesn't really matter. And they have made an announcement that by December 13th, they will launch Cryptomines Reborn with a new token called Dark Matter. So will people actually participate in this project? Yes, no, we don't really know. What I can tell you right now, my opinion, is that people within the Discord are definitely gonna participate, and they want to be able to participate because they believe that half of the people believe that it was a rug pull, and the other half of the people believe that it was due to uncertain events that the value of the token plummeted. In my opinion, there's a combination of both. But here's the thing. This is just my opinion. I believe that there was definitely a combination of the founders and developers. Maybe they took some revenue off the top, tens of millions of dollars, and the value of the token probably plummeted from $800 per token to $600 or $400 if you look at the chart. However, during the same time, the market corrected itself, dropped over 40%. Bitcoin dropped over $12,000 or more. And because of that, it created a snowball effect. And there was huge FUD that happened within the community. And of course, from that point forward, it dropped to from $400, $200, $100, $30. And at the point, the Cryptomines dev team and the founders probably thought to themselves, hey, there's no point, there's no place of returning back to where we were. And so they officially said, okay, we're going to make a move. However, that's just my opinion. You might have some different opinions. Maybe you have some different thoughts. Would love to get your thoughts in the comments below. Now, outside of that, here's what I think that a lot of people are going to do. And I think this is what my strategy is, because I've definitely invested a lot into this project. I definitely believed in it. Unfortunately, I got wrecked. It is what it is, and unfortunately, many people did as well. So what do we do from here? Well, they did make an announcement that when they launch Cryptomines Reborn, that you have the opportunity, if you have fleets, if you actually have assets, NFTs, you can migrate those NFTs into the new platform and get credit for it. However, you will have to actually put new money in to mint new teams, new NFTs, and I plan on doing that. And the reason being is because based on past experience, the team knows how to really drive revenue and increase the market cap. And so I plan on actually riding that wave at the same time. However, my strategy, and again, as a crypto enthusiast, I tell you the same thing, is that you want to be able to do your own research and do your own due diligence and work out your own strategies. But I am going to tell you what I plan on doing is, as I actually mint new NFTs and play this new Cryptomines Reborn, I plan on taking profit along the way, be able to mitigate the risk and take profit along the way. I am going to be looking at the blockchain more carefully, and I'm going to be following the top 5 wallets to see if they're liquidating at all. And if they are liquidating, these are signs that there is risk in the platform. But because I'm actually following based on past experience of how much momentum that it has rode up in the past with the Cryptomines legacy, I plan on making sure to monitor the wave and the growth and the exponential growth of the new dark matter token and take profit 100% of the time along the way. What I mean by that is be intentional. Take 10 to 25% profit from your mining rewards. So guys, just want to give you guys a quick update. You can, based on the announcements as well before I wrap things up, is that if you do hold Eternal tokens, you can use those Eternal tokens for cosmetic updates and improvements on your team. In terms of the details of that, they haven't made that announcement. But what I do recommend you to do is make sure that you go to Cryptomines general chat community. Make sure you follow their Discord. There's a lot of communication back and forth within the Discord. And guys, it's very interesting to see what they're saying in here. Again, 50% of people believe in the dev team, 50% of them don't. But I can tell you this, I am going to follow my strategy, and I hope you find your strategy to be able to mitigate your risk as well. And if you actually did get wrecked like myself, I definitely apologize. This is the cryptocurrency space. And of course, it is very volatile. There's a lot of different things happen, and be prepared that you could lose 100% of your money. So if you actually found this video very beneficial, my name is Tuan. Hopefully you like, subscribe, and ring that bell so that way we can give you updates on videos and updates on projects every single time. With that, thank you so much. Look forward to seeing you at the next video.